Today we're comparing two very different SUVs. The all-new Tata Sierra with modern features and the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara, premium and fuel efficient. Let's break this down in detail so you can decide which one suits your needs better. Starting with price and engine, Sierra comes in at 11.49 lakh rupees and gets a 1.5-liter engine. It makes 104 brake horsepower and 145 Newton meters, paired with a 6-speed manual or Tata's smooth 7-speed DCA automatic. Grand Vitara starts slightly lower at 10,76,000 rupees with a 1.5-liter engine, making 101 brake horsepower and 139 Newton meters. You get a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. Now, coming to dimensions, a Sierra feels like a bigger SUV overall. It's wider, taller, and has a much longer wheelbase, 130 millimeters more compared to Vitara's. That extra width and wheelbase directly translate into better cabin space, better legroom, and more road presence. Grand Vitara is longer by just 5 millimeters, but overall Sierra dominates the physical proportions and has a more SUV-like stance on the road. In practicality, Grand Vitara takes the lead in mileage. Its 19 to 21 kilometers per liter fuel efficiency makes it extremely wallet-friendly for daily running. Sierra's mileage numbers are not officially revealed yet, but they will definitely be lower than the Vitara. However, Sierra counters with a massive 622-liter boot compared to Vitara's 373-liter. That's a big difference for families, long trips, or luggage-heavy users. Safety test for both is to be done yet. Inside the cabin, the Sierra immediately feels more modern and premium. The wide connected screen layout, the cleaner dashboard design, and the overall look give it a very futuristic feel. Grand Vitara's dashboard is practical and user-friendly, but it definitely looks more traditional compared to Sierra's new age setup. When we look at the seats and overall comfort, Sierra once again benefits from its larger dimensions. The rear seating space is wider, the cabin feels more airy, and the space on offer is simply more generous. Grand Vitara's interior is still comfortable and well-built, but it's tighter, especially in the rear. If you value spaciousness and premium cabin feel, Sierra clearly has an edge here. Ownership experience is where Grand Vitara shines. It has lower maintenance costs, better resale value, hybrid options, and strong service network. Running costs will always be lower with the Vitara. Sierra focuses more on experience, modern tech, comfort, features, and presence. It's built for someone who wants a premium SUV feel at a competitive price. So the question is, which one should you buy? Choose the Tata Sierra if you want a modern cabin, more space and better comfort, a stronger SUV presence. Choose the Grand Vitara if you want excellent mileage and low running costs, hybrid options, reliable long-term ownership, a practical no-nonsense daily SUV.